gonna start popping scale on the grip rail. You're wondering, why are we doing this? We're doing this because we want to remove as much scale as possible. One way is by making the metal flex, and getting it hot with the torch, getting that scale to pop, because it's going to be popping itself off of the cap, and I can wire wheel it and weld the ends together and install it on the grip rail. Whew. Meanwhile, my other mounts are getting hot, so I'm going to stop talking and we're going to pop it. Alright, now back to my mounts. Gotta bevel that edge and then bend them up. Those up, and I'm gonna go back to my cap. I got tongs today. While those are getting hot so I can bend them, I'm gonna pop the other side of the cap. Alright, so back to the mounts. I'm gonna let those cool. I need to let them air cool because I need to cut the ends off before I weld them together. I need clean ends for MIG welding.